UVC air disinfection in HVAC systems. Homes, offices, and industrial environments are daily contaminated by an unseen enemy. Infectious microorganisms enter a building's air currents due to coughing, sneezing, even laughing, and are circulated by the HVAC system. Some particles remain airborne and are inhaled. Others land on surfaces and are picked up when touched. Many result in people acquiring the cold, the flu, or any variety of illnesses from family members and business associates. Treating the air within ducts to UV disinfection will greatly diminish the airborne bacteria, viruses, and mold throughout homes and offices. Studies have shown a reduction of up to 99% of microbial concentrations in ventilation systems equipped with a UV air duct apparatus, resulting in fewer headaches, coughs, congestion, and respiratory issues. To achieve this, Atlantic Ultraviolet offers the AeroLogic UV duct disinfection system in a number of models for different size applications. Easy to install perpendicular to airflow, the UV light emitted will neutralize microorganisms floating by the lamps, and all within the safety of the duct's interior. Atlantic Ultraviolet Corporation. Contact us today.